Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on VIVO Y27. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and now you have to scroll down and click on parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Then click use pattern, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Now click accept. And then click on supervise. Click next again. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.